Hi, I'm going to do a walkthrough for Puff the Magic Dragon on 5-string clawhammer banjo. The tuning that I've got is F, D, G, C, D. Some people call that Cumberland Gap tuning because it's a common tuning for playing Cumberland Gap in, but it's also Puff the Magic Dragon tuning. This is the chord shape that you kind of come back to. So you're playing in the key of F. This is an F chord. And it's the 4th string 3rd fret, 3rd string 2nd fret, 2nd string open, 1st string 3rd fret. Familiar chord shape for guitar players because it's like a G major chord, and so guitar players find this tuning quite easy to work with. But Puff the Magic Dragon goes like this. So on. That's all there is to it. So you just need to learn the chords that are involved. You have this one that I've showed you already, and then the relative minor, which is the 2nd fret on the 4th and 3rd strings, and the 2nd fret on the 1st string, but the 2nd string open. So, and then this chord. So that's the 3rd string 3rd fret. 2nd string 2nd fret, 1st string 3rd fret. Nice and easy to move to from the root. So Puff the magic dragon, live by the sea. Back to the root. And frolicked in the autumn mist. Here's a new chord. In a land called Honolulu. There's 2 chords there. So first one is 5th fret 4th string, 4th fret 3rd string, and then 5th fret on the 2nd and 1st. In a land called Honolulu. And then this one is just the same as that chord, but slid up 2 frets. And so it's the 5th fret 3rd, 4th fret on the 2nd, 5th fret on the 1st string. So, Puff the magic dragon lived by the sea and frolicked in the autumn mist in a land called Honolulu. Little Jackie Paper loved that rascal Puff, bought him string and sealing wax and other fancy stuff, and so on. But one of the good things about this tune, if you learn it, and it's a good campfire song, it's good for kids obviously, and everybody kind of knows it instinctively somehow, the words to Folsom Prison Blues, Johnny Cash, fit really, really well to Puff the Magic Dragon, and that'll make people laugh. So, when I was a baby, my mama, she said, son, always be a good boy, don't ever play with guns. But I shot a man in Reno just to watch him die. Now I hear that whistle blowing and I hang my head and cry. Well, I bet there's rich folks eating in a fancy dining car. Bet they're drinking coffee, smoking big cigars. Those people keep on moving, and that's what tortures me. When I hear that whistle blowing and I know I can't be free, and so on. But yeah, hope you play it, hope you like it. Thanks very much. Bye.